Winston Foster, better known to the world as King Yellowman, stands as one of Jamaica's most iconic and inspirational figures in music. Born on January 15, 1956, Yellowman's early years were marked by immense challenges. Abandoned as a baby, he grew up in the Maxfield Park Children's Home and the Alpha Boys School in Kingston, Jamaica. The Alpha Boys School, located in Kingston, Jamaica, has played a monumental role in the development of Jamaican music and the global spread of reggae and ska. Founded in 1880 by the Sisters of Mercy as a Catholic-run institution for underprivileged and orphaned boys, Alpha became a beacon of hope, discipline, and creativity for countless young men, many of whom went on to shape Jamaica's rich musical heritage. The school's alumni list reads like a who's who of Jamaican music, spanning ska, reggae, and jazz. Notable alumni include Don Drummond, a legendary trombonist and founding member of the Scatterlights, Tommy McCook, another founding member of the Scatterlights, Lester Sterling, an alto saxophonist, and yet another cornerstone of the Scatterlights, John Adizabur Moore, a master trumpeter who was instrumental in ska and reggae's evolution, Vin Gordon, a prolific trombonist who played with artists such as Bob Marley and the Wailers, and Yellowman. Though better known for his dancehall career, Yellowman spent time at Alpha, where the structured environment helped shape his early life. As an albino, Yellowman faced intense societal discrimination in a culture where albinism was often stigmatized. Yet despite the cruel remarks and marginalization, he channeled his struggles into a resilience that would shape his life and career. Life was not kind to young Yellowman. Growing up in a children's home meant lacking a traditional family structure, and being different made him an easy target. School children teased him mercilessly, calling him names and mocking his appearance. However, Yellowman never let these hardships break his spirit. Instead, he leaned into one thing that could lift him above it all: music. Seizing opportunities, Yellowman's breakthrough came during the 1970s, and he entered and excelled in local talent contests, including the famous Tasty Talent Contest, which served as a launching pad for many Jamaican musicians. His witty lyrics, commanding presence, and unique delivery caught the attention of producers and audiences alike. Here is a brief clip of G.T. Taylor, the organizer of Tasty Talent Contest, explaining how he gave Yellowman that big break. But before we proceed, don't forget, please, to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.
I used to be a member of the Jamaica Federation of Musicians. We used to work with Sonny Bradshaw.
Okay.
Right, and they started the Jamaica Federation of Musicians Union, and I happened to be a bandstand inspector. We also happened to start the first Tasty's Talent concert. Yeah, the first Tasty's Talent concert we started, and I was the MC there. We used to do other things. I was even the first person to bring Yellowman on stage. I was the first person to give Yellowman a break. And why I'll have to mention this is because where I'm going to go after this. Yellowman used to be at the Alpha Boys home.
Mm-hmm.
Sound systems were central to Yellowman's rise, as they gave him direct access to grassroots audiences who admired his ability to deliver sharp lyrics and create a vibe that resonated with everyday Jamaicans. Each of these platforms contributed to his growth and eventual stardom. Signed to Jamaica's Gemini sound system, Yellowman began to establish himself as a dynamic and trailblazing DJ. His humorous yet socially conscious lyrics resonated with dancehall fans, and his ability to improvise on the mic made him a standout performer. By the early 1980s, Yellowman was recording prolifically and releasing hits after hits. Aces International was another popular sound system where Yellowman made a significant impact. Known for its top-tier equipment and prominent DJs, Aces provided a platform for Yellowman to showcase his lyrical prowess and comedic, crowd-engaging style. His performances with Aces International helped solidify his reputation as a dancehall powerhouse. Yellowman also occasionally performed on Kilimanjaro, one of Jamaica's most iconic sound systems. Yellowman's association with this sound system further established him as one of the premier DJs of the early dancehall era. By the early 1980s, Yellowman was recording prolifically and releasing hits after hits, showcasing his ability to mix humor, storytelling, and raw charisma. His style influenced countless artists in reggae, hip-hop, and beyond. Yellowman's rising fame caught the attention of international record labels. He became one of the first Jamaican dancehall artists to break into the global market, signing deals with major labels such as Columbia Records, Shinaki Records, and Greensleeve Records. Yellowman signed with Greensleeves Records, a UK-based label, around 1982. This partnership was instrumental in releasing his groundbreaking album Mr. Yellowman in 1982, which helped establish his international reputation. Greensleeves released several of his key projects during the early 1980s, including hits like Zungu 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 Zeng. In 1983, Yellowman made history by signing with Columbia Records, becoming one of the first dancehall artists to secure a deal with a major US label. This move was significant for introducing Jamaican dancehall to a wider global audience. Under Columbia, he released albums that further cemented his position on the international stage, including King Yellowman 1984. Shinaki Records. Yellowman also worked with Shinaki Records, a US-based label known for its focus on reggae and world music.
You know, where you see this move now? This move is a very, very bad move, you know. See, so me a beg you now, don't ball for no back in this move. See, nah, so no. You know what this move name? It name body move, and you see body move. Do you feel okay? If you're feeling okay, please say more.
Yellowman was no longer just Jamaican star. He was a king of dancehall worldwide. Armed with albums like Mr. Yellowman and King Yellowman, he headlined shows across the United States, Europe, and Asia, introducing the raw energy of Jamaican sound systems to eager international audiences. His ability to freestyle, his humor, and his unique blend of reggae and dancehall captivated crowds, turning arenas into virtual dancehall spaces. But Yellowman wasn't just a performer, he was a symbol. Despite years of being ridiculed for his albinism, he stood boldly in the spotlight, using his music to defy prejudice. His success challenged societal norms, proving that talent, resilience, and self-confidence could break any barrier. His collaborations expanded as well. Yellowman shared stages with reggae legends like Peter Tosh and Gregory Isaacs, while also collaborating with artists outside the genre. His influence even extended into the emerging world of hip-hop as his iconic tune Zungu 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 Zeng became a blueprint sampled by artists like KRS-One and Tupac. Yellowman's journey was not without further challenges. In 1986, he was diagnosed with skin cancer and given only 6 months to live. Yes, yet, defying the odds once again, he underwent surgery and survived. Yellowman has an extensive record program he follows regularly as a means of staying fit after the multiple surgeries and staying fit for his shows that he continues to do after recovering from those surgeries. This experience deepened his resolve to inspire others, and his music became more focused on positivity and consciousness. Today, Yellowman remains an influential figure, continuously performing and spreading messages of hope and resilience.
That is why.
When did you get into that healthy lifestyle, like really taking care of yourself? Because your generation, most people did. You know what I'm saying? Especially your crew from the 80s. It's a serious time. But like, when did you get into...
After the surgeries.
Yeah.
The multiple surgery I get all over my body.
How much surgeries did you have, and why did you have to have so many?
Many.
Yeah.
Many. Skin cancer.
Yeah.
So you know, you have to take care of it before it gets worse.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So remember, I run up and down this hill like 3 times a week.
Yeah.
Every morning around 3-4 o'clock.
So you're well fit.
In the morning. And I don't smoke, I don't drink no form of liquor.
Yellowman's life story is a testament to the power of perseverance, proving that even in the face of discrimination, rejection, and illness, greatness is possible. For anyone who has ever been doubted, mocked, or told they wouldn't make it, Yellowman's rise to stardom is a reminder that obstacles are just stepping stones on the path to success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment.